Greetings, Panther. Today we are going to buy again the bonus. The yesterday we tried to buy bonuses, we couldn't make any profit. So let's see with this small amount that I have here, if I can buy the bonus and we can make the profit. I will buy bonus today and spin, buy bonus. If I can make a profit or double this amount, I will stop and I'm going to go to the other games. Then I see if I can make a profit again, I stop. If I make a profit with another one, I stop, I go to another game. So here today I'm going to start to be building my bank account, because I want to have at least 5,000 rand in this section. So let's see if we can move from 50 rand to 1,000 today. So guys, in this bonus buy, I didn't make any profit. I lost approximately 10 rand. So I'm gonna try to spin for 5 times or 7 times. Maybe we can be lucky, we get a bonus. Let's see if it's possible. I think the good way it will be about buying a bonus again. So let's just buy this bonus again and see if we can make some profit. This is what I'm talking about, baby. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. This is what I'm talking about. 20 rand, I will take that. How many? 7 to unlock the first level. Oh, it was a break even actually. Yeah, it was just a break even. So I'm thinking, should I spin? Let me spin. I will do an auto spins until I see that I can buy a bonus. Okay guys, with this last amount, let me buy a bonus. Whatever happens, it happens. So let's see what will happen. So it was a loss again from the last bonus buy. We cannot buy a bonus now. So what I'm gonna do, let's just spin. If we can be lucky, we will get a bonus. If we're not lucky, we won't get a bonus. Alright guys, this was a season number 2, episode 2 on Siren Spell, trying to buy the bonuses, and we didn't get any profit. So we're gonna see on season 3. Season 3, I think I will go with 200 rand. I will buy bonus the way I'm playing, and I see if I can grab something on Siren Spell. And thank you guys for watching. And for those who won the vouchers, you're gonna get your vouchers, but I have to first buy the phone, because without the phone there is nothing that is moving properly. So you will be patient with your vouchers. You will get your vouchers. I will announce, and I will let you know guys to WhatsApp me, so that you can redeem your vouchers when I'm fine, when I have the phone. So thank you guys, and enjoy.